Hello and welcome to Kivy School. This living course is designed to teach you how to make Python apps on Android. At Kivy School, we want to teach and set you up for success. To do that, our first sections are free. This course is designed for beginners, and in our free section, we will teach you the absolute basics: how to set up any Python project environment, how to set up your Python project folder structure, and how to set up your PC for Python on Android development. When you're ready, buy the course so you can learn about Python's biggest secret, the cross-platform GUI library, Kivy. You will also learn how to use Kivy School's custom, advanced hot reloader for free. No more waiting hours for your Android APKs to rebuild after every small change. With Kivy GUI, you will reach a larger audience using Python only. This is because Kivy GUI is cross-platform. In this course, we are targeting the Android market. But if you notice, our Kivy Reloader already integrates a PC client. So you are actually developing for Android and PC, Windows, Mac, and Linux at the same time. No other Kivy course will teach you how to create professional styles. In this course, you will learn how to create pixel-perfect screens directly from 2 Figma projects. We will also go over Kivy Canvas instructions to draw beautiful components and create your own custom components. You will also learn about Kivy Properties to create dynamic and responsive apps. Python and Android Essentials will always be updated. Please support Kivy School in making high-quality, unique Kivy content. Kivy School is just 2 friends who are passionate about Kivy.
Hello everybody, my name is Felipe. I'm one of the founders of Kivy School and also instructor. At Kivy School, we want to bring to you the best source of information about Kivy.
We love Python, math, and educating others. We made this course because it's better to make a single course that can teach hundreds of students instead of repeatedly going over the basics one-on-one. We're both programmers and are working on Kivy School in our spare time. We're interested in self-funding ourselves so that we can devote more time creating high-quality content for other Python and Kivy enthusiasts. Kivy is such a great GUI library, only held back by outdated tutorials and scattered information repositories. We plan on collecting and documenting this information because you can do so much with Kivy, like GPS, Bluetooth connections to real devices, external API calls, and social logins. We plan on keeping Python and Android Essentials a living course and completely updated. If you would like to support our efforts, please purchase this course. We would also love to spend time making pull requests, working on tutorials, and sometime in the future creating a Kivy code jam. And at Kivy School, let's code together.